Kung tinitingnan ninyo na, na-excite na ba kayo? First game pa lang ito.
First game pa lang yan. Oo.
Mamaya, sa talo si Red Bull. At Kirby Raimundo, back-to-back basket for the kid no more.
Taking charge dito, itong si Kirby Raimundo.
5 minutes and 33 ang natitira dito sa ating third quarter. Palitan ng baskets. They're trying to up their production here in the second half. And Kirby Raimundo, as Barry have made mention, is in charge para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. They're on top by 4. Patricia Bermudez Hiso ng ating game producer. At of course, sabi nga natin, itong long weekend na ito, punong-puno ng PBA basketball action para sa inyong lahat.
Bukas sa First Lady dyan sa Muntinlupa at sa linggo balik tayo dito sa Cuneta Action.
Yes. Ibang klase. Yun naman ang inihingi nila. Ibinibigay lang natin. Ganun lang kasimple yan. Nick Velasquez back in the ball game para sa Welco Dragons. Denver Lopez going to Nick Velasco.
Binalik agad si Nick Velasco, no?
Oo, at ito, having a tough time.
Ang offensive foul yun.
Oo.
Ang offensive foul yun. Kasi maganda yung depensa sa kanya. Chiniko niya. Hinuk.
I-acknowledge naman niya yung tawag ni referee Leda sa kanya. Nice call, ref. Kita mo yun?
Kita yun.
Oo, kita yun. So, ito ngayon ang Pure Foods. Signing on to a 4-point lead and they get back ball possession. Brandon Cablay also on the floor here para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants.
7 seconds na lang to.
Kirby Raimundo trying to shake off Nick Velasco. Oh!
Wala problema.
No problem.
16 points in the ball game para dito kay Kirby Raimundo at 10 dito sa third quarter.
Exactly.
Ito na yung biggest lead. 6 na puntos.
Ganun lang,
Ganun lang. Parang si Kirby yun Welcott versus Raimundo
Exactly. Ito naman si Joe Devance. Ready for the challenge, ni Mark Pingris. And he will go to the line for 2 free throws. Pangatlong foul ni Mark Pingris.
Well, you can just imagine, kung etong si Joe Devance, hindi nagkaroon ng injury prior to that first game against Coca-Cola. Baka pwede 3-0 itong Welcott
Well,
dahil nga, lagi sila lamang dun
Exactly.
Sa unang 2 games sila Tumutukod lang sa dulo
Sa laman na ipasok ni Joe Devance. 5-point lead here para sa Pure Foods. 4 minutes and 24 ang natitira dito sa ating third quarter of action. Cablay. At si Mark Pingris against Rob Wainwright. Shot clock, bumababa. 5 seconds na lamang. Nakita si Kirby. Extra pass inside. Di nga lang pumasok para kay Jonathan Salvador. But they get the ball back. Pinadali.
Oh,
may foul.
Action. Walang foul yan. May slam. Yan nakita mo dito sa third quarter talagang etong Pure Foods. Bumabalik sa dati, sa dominance na sa rebounding department.
Look at this, never giving up on the leather. And that was Mark Pingris.
Ito si John Dan Salvador has scored already 5 points. Make that 6 and 2 of 2 from the free throw line. Biggest lead ulit.
Oo, 7 points dito.
Bigger lang pala kanina. Bigger.
Inside 4 minutes. Inyo Gaelic trying to make a move over James Yap. Denver Lopez has it. Lopez against Brandon Cablay. Aangat. Mark Pingris. Joe Devance. Aangat. Wala. Napunta pa rin sa Welco Dragons. Inyo Gaelic on the drive. Wala pa rin. Brandon Cablay clears it para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. Ball knocked out of bounds.
Well, with 3 minutes and 35 seconds, si James siya pagpapahingay muna ni Coach Randy Gorio. Papasok ang kanilang rookie na si Arjel Larong.
He started this ball game para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. Kirby Raimundo, 10 points here in the third period. Unable to knock it down for that shot. Ito ngayon, Inyo Gaelic. Laban kay Brandon Cablay.
Well, that's a fast break basket scored by
Gaelic.
Gelig and Wellcoat. Pero dito, yung first half natin, Pure Foods unable to run. Walang fast break points ang Pure Foods doon. Pero sa third quarter, meron sa 3 puntos ang fast breaks.
6 na puntos ang contribution ni Nino Gelig in this ball game. Ito naman angat, Jonathan Salvador, wala. Nick Velasco with another rebound. Yung rebound niya, iniwanan na yung kanyang point production. 17 rebounds!
Basta
Para kay Nick
makuha
Velasco.
pero nakakampi, okay na eh.
Oo, totoo yan. Rob Wainwright with a TM3. Kanina, 7. But that's all part of history right now dahil binabana naman ang Wellcoat. Itong lamang na Pure Foods TJ Giants. All because of this 3-pointer to Rob Wainwright. Just a 2-point lead for Pure Foods here in the third quarter. 54-52. Good, especially the 3-pointer coming from Rob Wainwright. No wonder it's close once again. Kanina from a high of 7 points. Na pinakamalaking lamang ng Pure Foods in this ball game. Ito ngayon.
Headbutt. Accidental headbutt. Pagkita ni Lopez at Cablay.
Okay lang, wala naman dugo eh.
Wala.
Sanay na tayo dyan pagka nasa ring side.
Oo.
Mark Pingris unable to score and J.R. Reyes for that rebound. J.R. Reyes only 3 rebounds but he's got 10 points in this ball game.
Ang lineup ng Pure Foods. Sino kaya i-score dito?
They have Richard G, Jonathan Salvador, Mark Pingris, Sardi Larong, at ito si Brandon Cablay.
Naalala niyo no, ni Coach Ryan, sino nga ba i-score?
Oo nga.
Parang ano eh. Ano para yung depensa ito ah?
Exactly. 4 seconds of shot clock para sa Wellcoat. Throw in, deflected. Still Wellcoat's basketball. Nabawasan na 1 segundo. 3 seconds of their shot clock. James Shop, yes, he's back in the ball game. Ayun!
Oh!
Na-outplay para sa Wellcoat. At si Nick Velasco, pang-4 na puntos pa lamang yan ni Nick Velasco. Pero tinabla niya yung score, 54 all. Pangatlong deadlock.
Tikit pa rin, ano? Pure Foods threatened to break away dahil lumamang na ng 7.
Ayun, James Shop.
Kailangan nila si James Shop. Kailangan
Exactly.
nila i-score eh.
In double figures na, itong si James Shop, 10 points in the ball game. Giving back the lead para sa Pure Foods, 56-54. J.R. Reyes. Ito, andyan si Jonathan Salvador. Double block. Ayun, nasa palpal na nakuhaan pa ng bola. Diba?
Kompletong depensa yun.
Brandon Cablay against a double team. Somebody's open. Jonathan Salvador inside the switcher. G. Sumobra yung tira. Tapik ng bola na. Punta naman kay Nino Gelig.
Sayang yung scoring opportunity para dito kay Richard G.
Oo nga eh. Ando na.
Ando na.
Wellcoat looking for the equalizer. Maybe the go-ahead basket. Pero Jordan Vance, quick turnaround.
Hirap bantayan eh.
Oo eh.
Turnaround shot ito si Jody Vance. 13 points na siya dito sa ating ball game.
Di mo alam kung anong gagawin.
Yun na nga. Parang crossword pass ang napakahirap.
Wakali pa yun. Hirap eh. Hirap bantayan. Brandon Cablay. Dish off inside. Napunta kay Mark Pingris. Deflected.
Ang spacing.
Masyado makikit.
Pasa mo na ito ng shaded area eh, no?
5-second shot clock here para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. Score tied at 56 all. Give it to James Shop. Pero hindi pumasok. Pero,
Press 24.
oo, Jonathan Salvador. Hindi na umalis na sa shaded area. The jump hook won't work for him that time.
18 rebounds in the ball game para dito kay Nick Velasco.
Nako, tinapon. Hindi, tumama sa board yung bola. Masyado mataas para kay J.R. Reyes.
At baka tabla na naman tayo nito.
Ganun na naman ba?
Pero okay na yung scoring nila. Both teams so far, 24
Binagkita nga
points.
natin eh. Last season's Philippine Cup, 2 points. 2 points lang parati at lamang ng Pure Foods sa Wellcoat.
Unahin mo sa Richard
Ayun!
yung last shot.
Richard G. Meron pa 3 segundo rito.
Pwede pa naman mga Wellcoat dito.
From the backcourt.
Kontik pa.
Nick Velasco had the shot pero hindi pumasok. At still, ayaw bumitaw. At talagang dikit pa rin itong ating labanan dito. As we finish the third quarter with Pure Foods, just taking care of a 2-point lead.